How to activate Marketplace on new Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different options. You will find the option of Marketplace as well. Marketplace feature is included in all the Facebook accounts, but in the case you cannot find this Marketplace option over here, what you have to do is, the very first thing you want to check is if your Facebook app is up to date or not. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you see the option of update over here, just tap on it and update your Facebook to its latest version. Likewise, it might be the case that you are not eligible to get this feature on your Facebook account. Make sure you have set your age above 18 years. To check that, head towards the menu page. Now at the top right, you will find this settings icon. Tap on it. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Go to the option of profile details. Now over here, you can see this section for basic info. Tap on edit. Now from here you can change your date of birth. Make sure you set your age above 18 years. After you set that, Marketplace feature might be available on your Facebook account. If these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall your Facebook app and reinstall it. For that, long press on your Facebook app. Tap on the option remove app. Tap on delete app. After you delete the app, open your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook and install it. By applying all these processes, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. But still you are not able to get access to Marketplace, then you can wait for some time and it may be available in your region as well. So this is how you can activate Marketplace on new Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.